mga naka-Hellfire. Pwede niyong
Focus
dropan
ko
yan.
na eh.
Ang layo naman nun.
Andyan Sharko eh.
Sharko.
Healer kayo. Teka
Hindi
lang,
na nakita
parating
yung
na ako.
vlog natin.
Parating na ako. May Pierce na ako. Sabihan ko kayo pag ano.
Pane, si Sharko ang kanuin mo.
Kahit club sila, boy.
Sige lang.
Sabihin nyo pag ready na yung ini nyo, Hellfire. Mag ano ko. Pierce ako.
Regroup on me now. Regroup on me now.
Oo, si ba?
May Hellfire ka na pala.
Wala pa. Nasisira na ba yung wall?
Ready na ba? Ready na ba?
Oo.
Ilang percent yung wall?
Pasira na.
Oh, pasok tayo sa loob. Unti lang tayo dito ngayon.
Dali, subukan nyo na bombahin. Magdadrop na ako damnation ay.
Oo, nalayo na iba nila.
Wag na. Pasok na. Oo. OC now. OC food up.
5% fortification.
OC in food up. Wait. DPS, paano follow the heart? DPS. Sion, punta kayo southwest. DPS. Punta kayo southwest. Nasira na.
Ah, si Rana.
Invictus ata yung Collar Wonder, 100 base, Invictus.
Okay. O, 7-3.
Wala ko si Kangin. Huwag didikit sa wall, guys. Yung mga DPS.
Walang
Huwag didikit sa wall.
Wall. Hindi, brawling sila.
Talaga po.
Push nyo guys, southwest. Engaging ako on the wall. In 3, 2, 1, now. Come back. Assassinode, guys.
Ready. Perma.
Kaya Invictus again, pero makaka-Invictus in 3, 2, 1. Invictus now, hindi nakamagdabungo.
Uy, sa kanya.
Comeback.
Sino may uso dyan? Pahingi.
5 seconds pa, Perma.
Ang hirap nito, di ako naka-return. Sige. Engage tayo kay Invictus ulit, ready?
Ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Defensive. Papas. Demons. Hilap. Patay sa kanila. Assassinode daw, cycle now.
Druid.
2 seconds.
Druid.
Ready.
Kailangan na Druid si Sharko.
Ready on the way. In 3, 2, 1, now. Oh my god, ang layo nun. Dun sa may north. Mamaya na, long cooldown tayo. Mamaya na.
Meron tayo RJ?
Hold lang. Hindi,
Meron,
long cooldowns. Long cooldowns na ito. Meron roll jacket pero long cooldowns na to.
Nandito na ako.
Bulinin ko lang.
3 seconds, Perma.
Nagro na agad ang Wonder.
Hindi, okay
Okay,
lang yung tama
okay.
yung agro nila para umatras sila.
Mali side nila.
Engage tayo ulit ha. Wait. On the Invictus in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nakamat naman yung bungo si Invictus. Come back. Mag-headbutt yan. Come back na.
Meron sila si Balong.
Assassinode now. Cycle now. Roll jacket. Ready?
Ready.
Again. 5,
Druid
4,
Sharko.
2, 1. Mama tayo. Kambak.
Nyo guys, si Paloli.
Sige lang. Kambak.
Guys, huwag nyo pagsabayin yung RJ.
Okay. Kamis. On the door tayo. Kamis. Guys, kamis.
Ready.
Sino, we need to go in.
Ready.
East. East of the wall. Ito nakamagdabakot kay SKLA in 3, 2, 1. Ayun. Mark na po mo. Kambak. Nice, patay. Kambak. Patay isa doon. Patay isa yun sa taas to.
2 seconds.
Druid si Sharko.
Ay, patay. Nice.
Ready.
Patay ko depth lang.
Wait. Defensive now. Defensive, engage tayo in 3, 2, 1. Not now. Kambak. May patay? Kambak. Assassinode daw. Cycle. Position south on tower.
5 seconds. Ready.
Wala ba nakahuli beam para mahuli beam yung mage natin?
Pwede huli din yan.
Para pwede huli beam yan. Need man yung nakahuli beam na isa. Ito ulit sa door. Wait, defensive now. Under guys, 3, 2, 1. Oh, north. Kambak. Hila. Hilap.
Ano ako ha? Magpapalit ako ng ano, holy.
Ready, Prime.
Oh.
Bukas na yung doors ha.
Okay lang. Diba? Ito ko. Wait.
Bukas na yung door wonder, bukas na.
Yung note, yung nagpupukol. Wait, defensive na. Bigyan niyo tayo 3, 2, 1, note now, drop now. Comeback, cycle pass. Engage tayo ulit sa note. Sa northwest.
Two
Ito
seconds.
na kamag mo. 3, 2, 1, ito sa akin, sarapan ko guys. Ay, layo naman. Comeback.
Long cooldown na.
Druid kay Sharko.
Sino pa tayo?
Si King Gojo sa baba.
Defensive now?
2 seconds. Ready.
May naka-olibing na?
Meron na.
Olibing na yung mage?
I-shieldan nyo yung mage gamit yung sa
Yung wala.
sa arcane. Sa arcane.
Wala
Yung arcane.
Kill nyo yung mage. Ngayon sira na yung wala sa ano.
Sige lang.
10% fortification.
Sige lang. Pag mag-engage sila, yun na yung drop nyo agad. Sabi ko pag sinabi kong drop agad ha. Wait lang ha, mag-engage yan.
Ayun na.
Oh, wait. Drop sa kanila.
Counter.
Drop now. Ang bagal. Comeback. Cycle now.
2 seconds.
Druid.
Position is. East side guys. East DPS. East. Engage tayo sa
Ready.
note sa akin. In 3, 2, 1. Note sa akin now. Sa akin nga. Ang layo naman nun.
Kanino yung Hellfire na yun? Ang
Come
layo.
south.
Nasa likod.
Engaging. Sharko.
Umuhay ako.
2 seconds. Ready.
Engage tayo ulit northwest in 3, 2, 1. Sa akin now. Comeback. Right. Roll jacket na host lahat. Roll jacket.
Ready.
Engaging.
Wala.
Pwede natin.
Oh, yeah, batay. Wait. Engage tayo in 3, 2, drop na on the wall. Baba ng wall. Come back now, please. Come back fast. Come back fast. 1 year sabay ka sa akin. Nahanap mo ako. Mark mo ako ng bungo sa ano mo.
Nahanap kita kanina. Okay na.
Sabay ka sa akin na yung gigo pa.
Sige.
Wait, kami. Position is. Sa akin na gina. Wait.
Ready.
Position is, guys.
Engaging.
One! On north na! On me!
Huli oh.
Come back! Cycle na ako, tatanun.
2 seconds.
Yung nakamat ng heart. Kahit partidahan ko pa to, kahit kulang tayo ng
2 seconds.
Iba-iba tayo ng comp dito.
Ready.
Sige.
Ready.
Come west, position southwest. South of the tower, guys. South of the tower. Defensive now. Engage tayo, note. In 3, 2, 1. Note now, sa akin now. James! Come back! Dimos! Papats! Nice patch! Pila pa, bro! Iniwan kami! Oh my God, hindi iniwan kami!
2 seconds.
Heal! Sa sunod daw!
Ready.
Okay lang, may namatay sa atin isa. Ilan namatay? 2?
Healer patay.
Fuck. Rigir ka. Eh, papit ulo tayo. Kamis. Engage na tayo. 3, 2, 1. Now, sa akin now. Mamamatay.
Namatay.
Gago, nag-stop.
Binibit lang tayo niyan. Binibit lang tayo.
Bibit lang yan sa labas.
Ready ulit, Prime.
Okay. Walk slowly. Walk slowly on north, guys. Walk slow. Come, follow the crown, guys. Follow the crown. Okay, come west with me. Again, on the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the wall now. Come back. Cycle now.
3 seconds.
Okay, come back. Engage tayo fast agad. Drop
Ready.
Wala pang kahit hindi. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Huli isaw.
Comeback. Cycle now. Ay, royal jacket. If you have royal jacket on the heart.
2 seconds. Ready.
Pakibatay lang.
Yung witchwork ah.
Ah, sino tong naka-battle mount? Nasa comms ba to?
Season. Si...
Ito si Peony.
Earthron ah, yung Maloney. Earthron.
Come south. Okay guys, come south. Hindi tayo kaya nila, namamatay sila. Naiinis na yung color niyan. Hindi kasi ako
Maloney ingat
maka-turn.
yan ah. Earthron yan, Maloney.
Ina mo. Ganyan tayo kay Baloney. Kay Baloney. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Baloney, drop Baloney. Drop on the Baloney. Come back. Ready Dimos na. Wait. Come back. Cycle now. Assassinate.
Guard doon sa wall, guys. Guard doon sa wall.
Cool down.
Ready.
2 seconds. Wait. Hold. Engaging on north wall. Drop agad. Wait. Come south now. Come south, guys. Come south.
Si Nia nakidnap. Patay.
Leon!
Nag-offline.
AFK siya.
KFK.
Okay, come south, guys. Come south. Oy, wala ako dyan sa loob. Kay Baloney tayo. Uy!
Ready.
Dito. Hintay kay Baloney. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kay Baloney now.
Nice! Putang ina mo.
Come back.
What the fuck?
Come back. Assassinate now.
2 seconds. Ready. Ay, hindi.
Construction worker.
Ready.
Come south.
3 seconds.
Hindi niya tayo. Wait. Kay Baloney again. Ito. Engage tayo sa akin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito pa kayo. Sige. Atak pa. Mga tanga.
Ayan na. Nag-activate na yung ano.
Teka lang pala, may misaya pala sa atin. Di pala pwede mag-trust talk.
Pwede. Tignan mo chinachat ni Wanye. Oh.
Pwede.
Trust talk.
Oh, ready.
May B-pass.
Trust talk lang.
Sa in-game.
Ready. Ayun, maghihigop yata si Peony.
Ang ina mo, daig pabasing si dito.
Ang ganda ng higop niya doon, gago.
Si Peony, nakikinig siya. Magaling ka.
Si Peony. Si Peony ha. Tay.
Oh, you good, bro.
Engaging ulit. Engaging tayo. 5,
Nice
4,
sack.
3, 2, 1. Uminaw. Cycle now. Cycle on the heart, guys. Give royal jacket on the heart.
2 seconds.
Give the healers. Oh my God.
Ready.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Invictus now. Come back. It's okay. Ano, ready defensive on the north, ha? Ready defensive again. Ready lang.
Long hold na.
Long cooldowns. We have long cooldowns, guys. Assassinode, we have the assassinode. Hello?
Oh, ready.
Ready. Okay. Okay, yan tayo. On the wall again in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the wall now. Defense. Demons. Nice
2 seconds.
Assassinode.
Ready.
Okay. Come south of the mage. Position the mage. Engage sa atin. Engage tayo kay Baloney again, ha.
5
Nag-rigger siya, oh.
seconds damnation.
Okay. Engage tayo sa kay Baloney 5, 4, 3, 2. Kay Baloney na ako, on Baloney. Come back. Wala nang duplicator
Tangina
helmet
mo,
yan.
naglag.
Assassinode. Roll jacket on the heart, guys. On the heart.
Ready.
On the heart. Engage tayo ulit. Sa akin, ha. Wait. Ahaliop ko. Pag namatay ako, Wanyetsa, ano mo, ha. Engage tayo in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Come back fast. It's okay. Come back fast. Demons. Everyone to come back. Demons, defense.
Bomba.
Papats. Hila.
Pile dito.
Please. Hila pro. Come north now. Engage tayo natin. 5, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the note, 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 on the note. Come back, come back, come back. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Come back.
Chaos, andito na Chaos.
Comes out, comes out, comes out, comes out. Go inside of the Terry, go inside of the Terry, go inside of the Terry, guys. Go inside of the Terry, 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 go inside of the Terry. Okay, okay, okay. Go inside of the Terry, go inside of the Terry, go inside of the Terry. Come not. Engage tayo, not chaos in 3,
Loading, loading.
2, 1. On milaw, on milaw.
Putang inang lag yan.
Defensive not, defensive not, defensive not,
Uy, hindi
defensive
sila
not.
magkakampi ha. Nag-aaway sila oh.
Come not now, come not now. Walk slowly, walk slowly. Walk slowly with me. Walk slowly with me. Walk slowly with me. Walk slowly with me. Walk slowly. Guys, ano inch up. Okay.
2 seconds.
Okay, alam ko. Come not. Hindi tayo papachulo in northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Papachulo lang. Come back south. Ukot now. Come back south. Di kain ng caller niyan, boy.
Naglalagaw.
Ready.
Okay.
Nadidelay yung ano ko.
Nadidelay ka?
Hindi ako makabalik ka agad. Nai-stuck.
Nagdalag.
Kailang sila.
Come north, come.
Fighting natin sila.
Okay, come north. Hindi, tumatakbo.
Come out yung chaos.
Okay guys, listen.
Patapos
Ano?
Wander 2 minutes.
Slow, walk, come south now, follow the crown lang. Paano lang, pasunod lang kung nasaan sila.
2 minutes na lang Wander.
Ano yan, nagpaparada.
Wag ka na mag-OC, 1 minute na lang, 2 minutes na lang, matatapos na. Oo, wag na mag-double OC. Where? Come southeast now.
Scout ng ano nila. Backline. Pwede natin to i-wrap around eh.
Oo, hindi ko na scout. Ano yan? Ano yung Philippine?
Salita ka, boss.
Sino ba to? Si Tite o si Mistip o si Bald?
Si Titi yata.
Dami oh. Kayo.
Ito kayo, engage tayo in 3, 2, 1 now.
Nagalaban sila dito, boy.
Come south. Tapos sasunod daw.
Ail nila to, backline ito. Ito pala.
Malayo masyado. Ilan tisari natin? Community to tayo
18 na lang sila. 18
Listen, wala na yung color nyo dyan. Come west. Lalaban natin yung bisnak. Wawipe natin to.
Tara.
to. Ping
So
ko.
Wander, tapos 1 minute na lang.
Tara na, let's go na. Auto tayo dito sa
Let's go. Ay, nakadismount.
Wait. Hold. Ayan natin sila mag-engage. Hold. Defensive now. Okay, engage din. 5. Walk, guys. Walk. Keep walking lang. Keep walking, guys. Keep walking.
Ready, ah?
Keep walking, guys. Keep walking. Engage tayo shallow in this depth on depth tanks in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This depth tanks and this depth tank on me. Depth tank on me. Come back, guys. Come back southeast, guys. Don't go northeast.
Don't go deep.
Follow them. You don't need to follow them, depth tanks. You need
Ready.
Kalaban sila doon, kalaban.
You need to slow them down. You don't need to follow them. You need to slow them down, depth tanks. Come west.
Kalaban pa rin sila doon.
Magaling mag-fill yung tank nila. Come north. Walk slowly north. Okay. Walk slowly north. Okay, bird the wall. Di sila. Come west. Keep walking west, guys. Keep walking west.
Ang layo dito parang. Layo.
Come south. It's okay, come south. Come south, guys.
Dito na sila banda. Ito.
Oh, it's okay.
Malapit na dito. Dito tayo naman.
Come southeast, guys. Guys, help. We need to go southeast, guys. We need to go all southeast. D-tanks on the front only. Guys, we don't have D-tanks. Hello? D-tanks?
Punta ka dyan.
Naka-ground sila. Wala nata silang kalaban ah. Kaya na.
Sige lang, sige lang.
Ito,
Engage tayo dito kay Reaper, kay Reaper. Engage tayo in 3, 2, 1. Kay Reaper na, kay Reaper. On the note, on the note, on the note. Mamamatay na, mamamatay na.
Uy, yung spider ah.
Okay, okay, hindi lang, spider lang yan. Come southeast now, come southeast now. Wala tayong cooldowns, come southeast now. Come southeast now, come southeast now, come southeast now, come southeast now. Come southeast. Oh, yung chaos ng factor. We need to go southeast, guys. Listen! Don't go north! Oh my God! When I said southeast, southeast, go southeast! Come southeast now.
Akin itong ano, akin itong northeast.
Nandito ko.
Come west.
May kaos.
Follow the crown, guys.
May agilo.
Follow the, always follow the crown. DPS, follow the heart.
Kung mababasagan kayo, sige double OC nyo na. Para lang di mabasag.
The wall is wall of
Ready,
me,
ready.
is wall of me. Wait. No. My bad. Come south. They want to head but us. Come south. Come south. Push doubles on the ano, may ano.
Oh,
Hindi. Walk slowly on the south.
Pakil ng mobs, guys.
Don't mind the mobs. Hindi, don't mind the mobs. Walk slowly. Walk southeast, guys. Now walk southeast. I need depth on the southeast now. Ay, nice. Oh my God, nag-PPBE. Come southeast now. Wait. Over the wall tayo. Wait, listen on me. Listen. Position southwest. Guys, push DPS, position southwest. Wait. Come southeast. DPS. Position
Southwest
southwest.
daw,
Pagpuntahin ko sa inyo. Okay, come northwest. Nagalag to. Engage tayo. 3, 2, 1. On me now. 7-3 yan. 7-3. Nice. Patay siya. Come north. Listen, look and listen and learn. Hey,
Listen.
come north.
Ano, RJ? Yung meron.
Come north.
Raping araw nata sila sa likod.
Come southeast now. Come southeast now.
Ready for
Come southeast now. Okay, come northwest. Weak po. Na depth na kayo. Depth ko na southwest now. Ay, southeast. I need depth na kayo southeast. Walk slowly on north. Here.
North.
Come north. Walk slowly on north. Northwest.
Sila, nasa east,
Northwest.
nasa east.
Keep walking northwest, guys. Keep walking northwest slowly. We don't need you. Come east slowly. Slow.
Faking ako.
Guys, inch up, DPS inch up. Sunod sa flower, ay sa heart. Inch up. Come west.
Wala na defensive.
Come west.
Nag-rootbound na.
Engage. Wait lang. Marami pa silang ano. Walk slowly, guys. Walk slowly. Engage tayo sa D-tanks, guys. Listen, guys. DPS.
Ready.
Oh my God, the blazing pa. Kamis, guys. Kamis.
Guys, dito lang.
Pila.
Mamamatay si Miss Tip. Uy, healer. Patay si Miss Tip.
sige ako lang.
Come notice. Engage tayo notice, guys. Notice on me. Fake lang yan. Engage tayo notice on me. Defensive on us. Notice now. Hey, huwag kayo matakot. Notice in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big notice. Bakit hindi pa ni-notice, guys?
Nakidnap yung balon niyo.
Defensive. Ano? Di ba guys? Tanks do.
Kayo sa likod.
Ina mo, gumalaw ka.
Come northwest. Oh my God. Take over one yan. Tsaka take over. Magre-trigger ka baka ko.
Keep walking west, boys. I need those in front, boys. I'm dying. Heal me, boys. Heal me.
Heal, please.
I'm dying. Heal me. Oh my God.
Go, ginamatay din siya.
Wala boy. Ano nangyari sa support natin?
May agila nag-engage.
May sa likod, guys. Hindi Agila kayo. Isang tao lang yun. Na ano
Get out.
All people go in the terry, please. All people go in the terry, guys. All people go in the terry.
Yo, bro, listen to me.
Keep, Adam, keep.
You guys still fighting, bro?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. I will fast fast, bro. I'm sorry. I got sleep, bro. Wait,
It's
wait.
okay, bro. It's okay, brother.
So, I going camp now.
Nagkagulo dun.
Boy, tumakbo yung DPS ko. Nakita ko, pumupunta sa southwest.
Ina, naglalag pa ako pagka-engage, nag-i-stuck.
Ang dami nga nag-iinto-into eh. Nakikita ko, tangina naman buhay yan. Patay ka din, Wanyecha?
Oo, patay
Patay
din
din
siya.
siya.
Ang ina mo. Walang heal sa harap eh. Naghahanap ako ng heal.
Hindi mo na heal.
Layo ng hill sa likod.
Pabalik na ba kayo, Wander? Double OC ko na to.
Marami pa kayo dyan na buko.
Marami pa.
Madami
May DA pa to. Level 14 pa.
14 pa DA natin. 22.
Ang taas ng ping ko. Gago.
Mag-earth rune ka na ba?
Oo, ito na ako.
Di pwedeng hindi ma-wipe yan. Puta, nagbumoses.
Ano? Tawag dito, Mistip, dalan mo ako ng gigapats. Tapos aba pag
Wala, alam mo ba?
bis na.
Sige.
Balance na ako.
Tayo naman, 8 lang dinala ko. Gago, nandito na ako sa ano. Cape.
Gago, double OC. Everyone, check your OC. We
Wani,
will
wani,
be
dala-
fighting still.
wani, dali
Please,
ka po.
double OC.
Ba't hindi kayo nagre-rigging ng back? Yung nasa party ko.
Hindi, nag-gigil ako.
Dalit ko.
Naka-LB ako.
Na-engage yan uli ata si Shark.
Tsaka-
2 beses na namatay.
At saka yung deep tank.
Gigi.
Isa pang blob.
Ako, may kausap lang ako. Balik ako dyan.
Isa pang blob.
Tayo kaya ano
May malaking blob. Ano yan?
Tang inang
Pauwi,
CPCG.
Andiyan ba yung bisdak?
Nandito pa.
Pa, oo.
Maglalaban yata sila sa taas. Oy, hindi.
Hindi maayos yung party ko ngayon.
Pabalik ako, pabalik.
Ang hirap.
Check out si guys.
Unti ditak natin. Ang hirap mo niya, Cha. Unti na ditak natin.
Stonks, hindi kailangan Stonks.
Ano kasi
Pinutin
to?
mo lang uli yung
Quick mass, urgent mass
Oo
kasi.
eh. Ano, pinartidaan yung bisdak ah.
Ano lang,
Malayo na
gagawin
sila.
mo lang uli. Pinutin
nyo.
lang ulit yung
Oo, reosi ka lang, Stonks.
Paalis na sila.
Dismount lang.
Wani, invite mo yung mga nag-exap, Wani.
Ha? Pwede yan, boss. Dismount ka.
Dismount ka.
O,
Tapos
pindutin mo ulit. Yan.
Yan.
Running na sila, pumunta sila ng Lagoon.
Gagi. Nalit ako.